Hi all, we decided to incubate some more of our chickie eggs and we've put 10 in the incubator, and over the last 2 days we've had 8. So there's still 2 in the incubator. I'm not sure if they're going to hatch, but we'll see. But unfortunately we've just had a power cut, so hope it's not for too long, but anyway, not a problem. It's quite normal in this area when we have some bad weather. Yeah, we've had some stormy weather happening over the last couple of days, so not a problem. Anyway, I've just thought it's just so lovely to see these things being born. Oh, power's come back on. Marvellous. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, it's wonderful to watch nature and watch them being born. It's ace. So I'll put the clip on for when they're being born, and hopefully later on, maybe I think it's next week, we had our hen go broody, as you know, and she's sitting, so she's got 5 eggs, so hopefully we'll have 5 more chickies by end of next week, but I'll put that on when the time comes. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you later.